East Coast Car Rentals pricing explained: what you get for your money. East Coast Car Rentals is a regional player in the rental market, but most people get this wrong. They assume pricing is purely based on car type. The surprising truth is that rates depend on location, rental duration, and optional add-ons. Economy cars can start around per day, while subs or luxury vehicles may run to per day. You won't believe how much optional features can change the total cost. Jeeps, child seats, additional driver coverage, and insurance all add to the base rate. Booking online directly with East Coast often unlocks discounts and promotional deals. Most people get this wrong by ignoring loyalty programs. Frequent renters can access lower rates and priority service. Weekend versus weekday rentals also affect pricing, so planning ahead can save significant money. In conclusion, East Coast Car Rentals pricing is flexible and influenced by multiple factors. By understanding base rates, add-ons, booking channels, and loyalty programs, you go from zero to pro in maximizing value and ensuring a smooth rental experience.